Looking for a simple way to upgrade your outdoor space? These 16-inch planters are spacious, durable, and perfect for bringing your plants back to life. This set comes with 4 large outdoor planters, giving you plenty of space to create your own beautiful garden. Each planter measures 16 inches in diameter and 12 inches tall. The spacious interior gives plants plenty of room for healthy root growth, making them great for vegetables, herbs, flowers, and small to medium-sized trees. They feature 4 half-inch drainage holes and a raised base to help improve airflow and drainage. This helps prevent excess water buildup and supports healthier roots, with approximately 25 to 30 liters of capacity. They're made from flexible BPA-free, UV-resistant PP plastic with durable 2 to 3 mm thick walls. At only about 1.3 pounds, they're lightweight and easy to lift, move, and reposition. They're designed for outdoor use, so they're versatile enough to your garden, patio, your balcony, even inside of your house. They make it easy to add greenery wherever you need it. I also love the modern microcement inspired texture. It gives them a clean, stylish look that works beautifully with different outdoor spaces. If you're looking for spacious, durable, and stylish outdoor planters, this 4-pack is a great option.